Hey guys and gals, Jim back here with a little short video hopefully. Just want to give a little quick update on what's going on. I just received the other day a few new kits. I got another one of the little tiny Star Destroyers in that. I picked up another, this is the new, it's a 2019 release, the Millennium Falcon, the version from the Empire Strikes Back. You'll notice one thing on the box is the old Bandai label is red. That's just Bandai, that's made in Japan, 2016 release. And the new boxes, they switched over to calling things Bandai Spirits, which you can see down there in the corner. This is kit 0 and 5, and the new labels are blue. Same kits, just I guess they renamed or came up with a different name for the company now. Maybe, I don't know if it's for all their stuff or just for the Star Wars, but they're going under the name Bandai Spirits now. So if you see something and it says Bandai Spirits, don't be afraid. It's still the old Star Wars kits and stuff. But all the older kits, like the little box scale X-Wings and Y-Wings and stuff like that, the Star Destroyer that comes with the Death Star, those are all the under the Bandai, the red label kits and stuff. So just a little change. I guess they're moving a little forward with their company with all the new things that they're coming out with and stuff. And then I picked up the 1/1000 scale blockade runner, and this is just a single kit. They do have a double kit where you get the blockade runner along with a Millennium Falcon, but I've got several of the Millennium Falcons already, so I just ordered the single blockade runner kit. So we'll get a little bit more into this on the next video and that, but I just wanted to go over some things. I picked up another Star Destroyer because I want to do some a little bit of some little mini dioramas, with it different scenes from the movies and stuff. I did the one a while back that I did some lighting on with the engines and the side trenches and that, with the Death Star in the background, kind of like a little forced perspective diorama with an explosion and stuff going on. So these are just going to be built, straight up out of box and everything, and just depicting little scenes, different stuff like that to give them some interest. So that's what's going on with that. Now, as far as these Millennium Falcon kits go, this is kind of like the original one, kit number 006, and that's the version from A New Hope. And if you notice, there's differences. This one's with got the 3 landing gear bays on the bottom and the round radar dish. These are already painted up. The engines, I did them with a light blue and then scraped off the raised surfaces, so it looks like the little effects of the engine being lit. I got them painted up and everything. The light gray, I painted that, all those areas. The rest is all the stickers. One thing with those stickers, they conform down real nice, so I didn't hesitate to use them. There's only a couple that go over some raised deal that you really couldn't burnish down real good, even with the tip of a toothpick. And I found out if you take just a real the tiniest amount of the Tamiya extra thin glue and just get it on the decal itself, being the decals are kind of plastic base, they'll melt right down to the plastic. Just don't get it on the styrene parts, because you will have the glue marks and stuff, and it'll eat away at the plastic a little bit. But I found that little secret a while back when I was working on the different model kits and stuff, and it worked out great. So that's what I did on just a couple I had to do around the radar dish and stuff to get them to conform. But other than that, everything else went down real nice and stuff. And unless you take the tip of an X-Acto and try to pop them off, they stay put pretty good. Now, the other kit that you get a Millennium Falcon in is the Last Jedi kit. It comes with the Millennium Falcon from the Last Jedi movie, which has got the 5 landing bay doors and the rectangular radar dish. Okay, the New Hope has the round radar dish, and it's pretty much, this is the one that comes in the Resistance set, where you get the Millennium Falcon and then the 1/44 scale Pose X-Wing and the Blue Squadron X-Wing and all that. So that's the one that comes in that kit. That's not this one's not produced as a standalone in a box yet. Maybe someday they will, but that's the one from the Last Jedi. And then this other the new one I picked up from the Empire Strikes Back, that's got the 5 landing bay doors on the bottom, and it's got the round radar dish on it, and that depicts the one from the Empire Strikes Back, and its kit number is 015. So there's actually 3 different versions. They're all pretty much the same kits. They just swap out a couple of the sprues from one kit to another, and they do the different versions. So it's pretty cool. I thought I'd do all 3 versions. What the hell? They're nice little kits. They got a lot of nice super detail and all that. So anyway, I thought I'd share all this with you guys. And in the next video, I'll come back and I'm going to talk a little bit about the blockade runner, because I had hoped to do some lighting on it, but I'm going to discuss that and everything. So if anybody's interested in trying to do the same thing, you might it'll be some helpful information. So thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, thanks for all the nice comments you guys been leaving, thanks for hitting the like button, and thanks again to all my new subscribers and all that. And until the next time, we'll see you soon. Have a good day, happy modeling, and we'll talk to you. Bye.